Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Knowledge Detector. Today you will get to know some randomly amazing facts that will blow your mind and you will simply say incredible. So let's begin. Fact number 19. It is estimated that half of the world's gold ever mined came from South Africa's Golden Ark, Witwatersrand Basin in Hartbeespoort. Fact number 18. If you cut a saguaro cactus in Arizona, you could go to jail for 25 years. This law stands because saguaro cactus takes an incredibly long time to grow. Saguaro cactus takes about 150 to 200 years to grow. Fact number 17. The beak of octopus is made of keratin, same as the material that our fingernails and hair is made of. Fact number 16. Brazil is home to largest Japanese population outside Japan. According to the Brazilian Institute of Geography and Statistics, about 1.5 million people of Japanese descent live in Brazil. Fact number 15. The largest piano ever made was made by Daniel Zapsky. It was measured 8 feet 2 inches in width, 19 feet 10 inches in length, and 6 feet 10 inches in height. The piano usually has 88 keys, but it has 156 keys. Fact number 14. Iceland do not have a public railway system. There have been 3 small railways, but none became part of railway system. Proposals in Ireland began in 1900s with proposal line between Reykjavik and Selfoss, but abandoned. Main reasons are less population, competition with automobile industry, and harsh environment. Fact number 13. Coca-Cola Company fired his truck driver from his job. Do you know the reason? He was fired because he was spotted drinking Pepsi while doing his job. Fact number 12. In Norway, there's an island called Svalbard. It's illegal to die there because bodies are unable to be buried safely due to permafrost on ground. Permafrost is the ground or ocean ground that gets completely frozen for 2 or more consecutive years. Ice gets frozen for miles deep in ground. Fact number 11. Americans are fond of McDonald's. Average, there's a McDonald's store after every 50 kilometers. So it seems McDonald's should be in every capital city of United States. But Montpelier, Vermont is the only US state capital that doesn't have a single McDonald's store. Isn't that amazing? Fact number 10. Scientists have discovered that sunflowers can clean radioactive elements from soil. Researchers cleaning Fukushima site in Japan are putting the flower to test. Almost 10,000 packets of sunflower seeds have been sold to the people of the city. Fact number 9. The name of the dwarf planet Pluto was posed by 11-year-old girl Venetia Fair in Oxford, England. Pluto is the name of Roman god of underworld. Fact number 8. An Italian bank manager, Gilberto Bestiaria, is called modern world Robin Hood. He secretly transferred money from rich to poor. He transferred about 1 million euro, that is 0.9 million pounds, for over 7 years. He never pocketed a penny for himself. It escaped him going to prison. Fact number 7. In 2017, Facebook created 2 AI chatbots called Bob and Alice. One of their experts thought, what if 2 chatbots converse with each other? When they talked, Facebook was extremely shocked. AI chatbots did talk in English, but that was not pure English. They created a language of their own that only AI can understand. This led Facebook shut down those 2 chatbots. Their conversation is on the screen. Fact number 6. Once in 1325, 2 city-states of Bologna and Modena in Italy fought a war. City-states is used to describe large cities and villages that surround them. The war is called War of Bucket in history. Confused? It started when the Mondani stole a bucket of Bologna's well. This war resulted in 2,000 deaths. What a strange war. The bucket you are seeing on your screen is actually the same bucket that was the reason of War of Bucket. Fact number 5. Monoi is an incorporated village in Nebraska in the United States. According to the 2010 census, its population is, any guess? Its population is only and only 1. The only resident of this village, Elsie Ellier, is the mayor as well as librarian and everything of this village. This village has an area of 0.54 kilometer square. Fact number 4. Frank Hayes was a jockey who, on 8th of June 1923, won a steeplechase. Steeplechase is a race in which competitors are required to run diverse fences and river obstacles. He won a race after a fatal heart attack resulting in death in the halfway of the race at Belmont Park, New York State, UK. He became the only player to win a race after death. Fact number 3. Forrest Fenn is an art dealer from Santa Fe in New Mexico. In 2010, he hid treasure worth of $2 million in Rocky Mountains and was found a decade later in June 2020, just 3 months before. The name of the person was not disclosed. He just said he was a man from back east. Forrest Fenn confirmed that his treasure has been found. About 3,50,000 people went for the hunt and an individual found it. Many of the people gave up their jobs to join the hunt. Forrest Fenn did give a clue in the form of poem. Fact number 2. Apple has paid a North Carolina couple $1.7 million for their modest home on 1 acre of land to build its $1 billion data center. Apple paid so much money because the couple was not ready to leave their home. According to the tax records, the property has value of $181,700, means Apple paid 9 times more than the actual price of the property. For fact number 1, if you have subscribed my channel, I am very thankful to you. But if you have not, click on subscribe button below and don't forget to click the bell icon to reach my latest videos to you first. Fact number 1. You would have often seen in bullfighting that when bullfighter waves red cloth in front of bull, the bull runs towards the cloth. Why? Does the bulls hate red or there some other reason? Actually, bulls are colorblind. They can't see any color clearly. That's not the color which makes them angry. That's the movement of the cloth makes them angry. If a bullfighter having red cloth is standing still, another is with white cloth is waving the cloth, the bull will run towards the white one. Now you would be thinking, why then only red is used? As a matter of red, it is only a tradition because red is considered as a sign of anger. So that's all. Hope you enjoyed. Like and share the video and comment in comment section below how you think about the video. And most important, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to reach my latest video to you first. Meet in next video again. Thanks.